Under the patronage and mentorship of Shri Piyush Goyal, the Kandivali Skill Center aims to impact 1 lakh youth per annum. This Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation facility is operated by Confederation of Indian Industry in partnership with National Skill Development Corporation. The 5-storied 37,000 square foot facility has been built in collaboration with leading industry partners and is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure. Under the Recruit, Train, Deploy model, the center provides sector-specific, hands-on skill training and real-world exposure across manufacturing and service sectors. This initiative is dedicated to training and empowering youth, creating robust pathways to meaningful employment. The center also houses CII Model Career Center or MCC, an industry-led employment facilitation that mobilizes candidates as per industry requirements, imparts soft and employability skills, and link youth to the direct placements according to talent and aptitude. The center further provides international career placements for the young talent in Japan, Germany, Australia and European countries. Kandivali Skill Center offers a vital solution to the industry while making a social impact by empowering youth with right opportunities.